You want this ball right here? You want this ball? Okay, go get it. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. Drop it. Good boy. Him as good as boy.
Okay, y'all. So this is the back door of my store. I just got here. The drywall finishers that work for my landlord were here earlier to mud and tape the store. Here's the back alley. There's the infamous dumpster. Anyway, I get here alone to my store, and this is how I find the back door. So let's go in together. Lights on. It's freezing in here. I haven't had it this cold. Oh. At least they put paper down. Let's see how the drywall looks. I'm assuming they did more than paper today. Let's see. Yeah. So, good deal. I mean, hooray, I guess. Not hooray that they left the back door unlocked with valuables in here, inventory, stock. But hooray that there's no holes in the walls. That's some progress. So we have 20 dresses and no holes in the walls. We're getting there, y'all.
Well, I made it back to the cottage. Me and the bean. And it's about 6:30, and I guess people up here still working, so I need to go check out what's happening. Sounds like real work happening. I gotta go check it out. We made it back, buddy. Me and you and the kittens. Yeah, me and you and the kittens, huh, buddy? Eddie's up here still working, but he found us material, so this is the best news, because we were looking for this material, and he thinks he's got enough right here. Got it over at Mac's place, 601 Salvage.
I should clean that paint off.
Yeah, he's running it through the planer to take the paint off and see what it looks like. We're hoping it'll work, but we're not positive, but we think it will.
Long pieces.
Yeah, they're good long pieces. This out, like that must have been a painted rug or something. That is crazy. I hate to take that off, but we need it. So yeah, I think that was the outside of a painted rug, basically.
They were talented.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty, isn't it? The piece there, I didn't see that one. So you got that one there and that one there. Kind of want to piece it back together. And that right there looks like it's got some. Jennifer down there doing some work. Back in Natchez. You can't really tell with all the shadows on that how beautiful it looks, but these doors are fantastic. So it's the first time they've been like hung when they were actually finished. So I'll open that one up here in a second. But this one is in place. So it is good to go. And then this one, the front door is done and beautiful. I've still got to clean these hinges, make those look good, but these are great, both sides. Another side. Done. Put my door knocker on there. Look at that. Look at that. Getting there, folks. Flipping all these over now.
That's too weird.
I'm actually afraid to look because it looks like a little bit more painting's been done, but things do appear to be covered much better than they were. So scraping is almost completely done, which is good. It's a good thing. It looks like we're just fine. No problems. Hey, Balfour. They seem to be pretty happy. Are you exhausted from your drive? I guess so. Kind of thought you'd sleep on the way. No? Okay.
And now we paper mache.
Oh my God.
The top of my sarcophagus. Now I've just got to paper mache it. What are you doing, Cheryl?
I'm working on dresses, getting them set behind.
There you go. She's prepping. Doing prep work.
I'm ready.
What are you doing? Papa restoration?
I am rested. I've been pulling off glue.
Glue. He's been
And I got
de-stickifying.
more glue to go.
But it is going a lot easier than the
Much easier.
stickies. So
Much easier.
another late night at the Royal We.
Well, Mama and babies are reunited. Mama seems to have done just fine in our absence. Hello, Mama Tat. Mama Tat. We left a lot of food out and it was all gone, and she was very hungry, but she seems good. See how long she stays in tonight till she gotta go out.
So Papa restoration has been goo-goning the goo. So you see if you could tell where he stopped. It's not as obvious on video. There we go. Up close and personal, you can see that. Yeah. Looks great. Here is the beginning of the sarcophagus top. I know, it looks horrifying on video. I promise it looks better in person. But she's got to have a couple coats of plaster of paper mache, and then she'll get a couple coats of gesso before she gets painted. So, there we are.
Present waiting for me when I got here. So I've got a pole saw, a new pole saw from Cece. So I'll have to get that thing out of the box and try it out. But I'm excited about that. Thank you very much. Y'all, I tell you what, we are out here in the country. Let me show you what it looks like around here. There's Hope Farm. Quite dark. There's the street, the closest street. There are the woods. And here is our cottage. So we are in the country in the middle of town. Kind of love it like this though.